We are building a journey where a new Gmail email will be added to Airtable database. So let's start. Select Gmail as a trigger, then choose Get Email as a trigger event. Select the existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select the label, in this case Inbox. Now in steps, we have to add a new record in Airtable. For that, select Airtable. Next, create record as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now we have to add table-specific data. For app ID, click on the link in the description. Then select a product and from URL, copy the app ID. Get the table name from the Airtable. For sample record ID, go to Table, select a cell and right-click on it. Click on Copy Record URL. Paste it and remove unnecessary part. Also provide the field message, email ID and subject from Get Email at Data Tree. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and start your journey. Now let's check the output. Let's go to Gmail, compose an email, type in your subject and send. Now let's get back to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now let's go to Airtable Project Tracker. We can see a new row has been added with email details. In this way, we can create an automation journey to add a new record in Airtable when we receive an email in Gmail. I hope you liked this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.